guys, we're here and going to record a quick video to show you how to create a credit note for a customer in Xero. So from the dashboard you can see I'm within the demo company, so there's no sensitive information here. We're just purely using this as example, and we're going to start from the start. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to go to your business menu and go down to the sales overview. Once you're in the sales overview screen, you can see that you'll have a few options here. So what I want you to do is click on the new and select credit note. Pretty easy, and it mimics the invoice screen, so it makes it nice and easy. What you want to do is enter in the details. So for this example, we're going to be doing a credit note for Rex Media because they have refunded some money, refunded some products, and instead of issuing a refund, we're going to give them a credit note. And this is great for many purposes. It shows you've got giving them some goodwill, and also you are able to retain their business. So when they come back and do another purchase, it would be good for recurring business. Okay, so once you've entered in the details, what you want to do is click on the approve, and you have created your credit note, and that's confirmed by this green box up here saying credit note approved. Now what you want to do is you can keep this on the account, or you can apply it to any outstanding invoices that they may have already. So in this case, they've got one outstanding invoice, which they haven't paid, and we'll apply $50 to it. Sorry, the $55 credit, including GST, and allocate that credit. So there you can see, this is the credit note that we just created, and we have allocated this credit note to invoice ORC 1031, showing that there is zero credit remaining on this credit note. So there you have it. Nice and easy, easy to keep track of, and you can actually see when a credit note has been applied to an invoice. Here's the invoice, ORC 1031, and we have applied 2 credit notes in fact. So there you go. Thank you.